Before we begin, imagine this. An 87-year-old Okinawan fisherman steps off his boat after hours on the water. He bends down, lifts a heavy basket of fish, and carries it up the dock. No hesitation, no groan, no hand on his lower back. His posture tall, his steps light, his balance steady. Tourists stare, amazed. The secret isn't luck. It isn't genetics. It's daily mobility training, passed quietly from generation to generation. Movements done slowly, consistently, and with gratitude for the body. And tonight, you're going to learn move number 1, the final piece of the Japanese nighttime mobility sequence. The movement Japanese elders say keeps them young. But first, answer this in the comments. What's the one daily movement you want to regain? Getting off the floor? Walking without pain? Climbing stairs easily? Tell me below, I read every comment. Alright, let's begin. Move number 1, the hip opening figure 4. Also known as the gatekeeper of mobility because when the hips lock up, everything gets harder. Walking, sitting, standing, sleeping, even breathing. This movement releases deep tension in the hips and glutes. Tension that most adults don't even know they carry until it's gone. How to do it? Lie on your back. Bend both knees, feet flat on the floor. Cross your right ankle over your left knee, forming a figure 4 shape. Gently pull your left leg toward your chest, holding behind the thigh. Relax your head, neck, and shoulders. Hold for 2 minutes, breathing slowly. Switch sides and repeat. What's happening inside your body? Deep inside your hips is a small muscle called the piriformis, and when it tightens, it pulls the pelvis out of alignment, causing knee pain, hip pain, and even lower back pain. This gentle release restores natural pelvic alignment, improves walking stride, reduces sciatic tension, unlocks rotational movement in the hips, improves balance and stability. Most people feel a warm release after 60 to 90 seconds, a sign that muscles and fascia are finally letting go. Picture your hips saying, "Thank you, I needed that." If it's too intense, place a pillow under your hips or keep the pulling leg on the floor. Remember, modify, don't quit. Why this final movement matters. When your hips move well, your back stops overworking, your knees stop compensating, your balance improves, walking becomes effortless, you feel younger because you're moving younger. Japanese elders say, "Youth lives in the hips," and they're right. The fastest way to lose independence is losing hip mobility. The fastest way to regain it is this. Putting it all together. The full Japanese night mobility routine. Move 5. Seated forward fold loosens back and hamstrings 2 to 3 minutes. Move 4. Lying spinal twist decompresses spine 2 to 3 minutes. Move 3. Cat-cow wave circulates spinal fluid 2 to 3 minutes. Move 2. Deep squat hold strengthens hips and balance 1 to 2 minutes. Move 1. Figure 4 hip release frees hips and pelvis 2 to 3 minutes. Just 10 to 12 minutes before bed, no equipment, no pain, no rush. These movements don't just improve flexibility, they change how you age. Call to action. If this 3-part series inspired you, hit like, subscribe, and share, so more people can stay healthy, strong, and independent. And comment below. Are you going to start this nightly routine tonight? Yes or no? And which result are you most excited for? Less pain, better balance, more mobility. I can't wait to hear. Because next week we're going deeper. A full guided 12-minute follow-along version you can do with me in real time. Don't miss it. Set your reminder now. Your future self will thank you.